more than 95% removal of micro and nanoplastics within an hour. Could you walk us through what is actually happening when this magnetic absorbent comes into contact with contaminated water?
So when we talk about the microplastics and nanoplastics, so one thing is just to, for the sake of understanding, is the human here is 10 of thousands of the nanometer of the size. So when we talk about the nano particles, we basically can't see them, and they will be in different sorts of water, and we will not have an idea that they still are there. So as we go below down the size of microplastics, because they are solid particles, they become very hard to remove from the water, because instead of usually these particles are forced through the membranes to remove, but it is very problematic for the smaller sizes, because they usually escape, or they usually they clog the membranes of the and pose these sort of the issues. So we have tested under different circumstances and with the different conditions, and we have showed that it can remove up to 90%. So the main thing is, rather than just removing the 30 nanometer, we have created a platform where we basically absorb those small nanoparticles on our material. And because that material is magnetic, we are just now removing a very big particle out of the water rather than just 30 nanometers. So just bypassing the conventional filtration mechanism. So that is something we have done. And because our material is magnetic, we are just not looking at the removal here. We are looking beyond that, which is the regeneration, reusing it multiple times, and then converting back into another functional material once it has achieved its life.